Why does your scanner show the P0262 engine code? What does it mean? P0262 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 1 injector A circuit high. This engine code indicates a cylinder 1 injector circuit high. The powertrain control module has detected a higher than normal voltage, or amperage, in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel injector issues. Wiring harness and electrical connector problems. PCM or ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Toyota, Opel, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.